This tool assists us in adjusting the color temperature of the photos. The index measuring this is K, Kelvin temperature. The higher K is, the more yellow a pic is. Vice versa, if K is lower, the pic will become more blue. It means when we look at a pic, we will find it cold or warm. That might affect the mood of the photos. That said, this tool cannot change all colors' temperature, so we have to use another one. Then, we will go to a tool named Tint. Its main function is likely the aforementioned one, temperature. However, Tint particularly focuses on adjusting the pink or the green tones of your pics. After that, here is a significantly popular tool, exposure, which supports us to change the light of pics. Because we are not always able to have good lighting conditions to take some photos. So this function is really useful. Then our pics will look lighter or darker as we want. And now we will learn about using the contrast tool, which assists us to clearly separate the black and white zone of the photos. Then, our photos look much more like reality. This is Highlights tool that must be familiar to many. This tool helps us change the light level of the lighting zone, then might make the essential objects more focused. This shadow tool has the same function as the highlight one, but it changes the light level of the dark zone. You can do all movements in this tool like using the highlights tool. And now we will be next to the white tool. This one also has the function as the highlight and shadow one, just a little bit different. Particularly, it focuses on increasing or decreasing the light level of parts which are white in our photos. Black just affects the black part of your image. It's used to test some more black if not in your photo. Creating an amount of black can add depth. The clarity controls the detailed contrast in an image by affecting different textures. This is different from the previously based contrast option, which can help make your images smoother. This tool only affects parts of an image that aren't very colorful to begin with. This is a great tool to make all the colors in your image pop up without making the image look unbalanced. The saturation slider adjusts all the colors in your photo. It helps to increase and decrease the image temperature. Be careful when using this tool, as adjusting everything together can make the brightly lit parts of the photo become color obsessed.